The legendary T90 is back. Nike is making a huge push of the T90 brand again. They brought out probably my favourite pair ever. So let's unbox them. I've got two pairs because I'm going to wear one, keep one for when I ruin the other pair. I'm not selling any of these, I'm buying these to wear. So let's take a closer look. Let's unbox this one here. Come on, check these out. The T90 white and gold. How iconic is this symbol here? So yeah, I'll take both pairs out and we'll take a closer look. So pick them up directly from the Nike store, both in a 9.5, and I've tried them on. 9.5 is my perfect size. So they fit a little bit looser than football boots do. I'm a 10 in Nike football boots and these are 9.5. So in terms of sizing, maybe go half a size down or stick to your true to size. It's really up to you how you like your shoes to fit. But how iconic do these look? They look absolutely brilliant. Great job by Nike. Let's dive into some of the details. So I've tried on this pair before, so we'll take a look at this fresh pair here. On the outside you have the miniature swoosh in black. You have the offset laces on the side, which are really good. And then you have the TOTAL90 detailing on the back here. Spin it around, you have the iconic 90 symbol here. I think everybody who knows this symbol can recognize that instantly. Yeah, the only flaw I have with these, and there's only one, is the fact that they're not the boots. Why? Why did you bring these out and not the boots? I don't understand it. Everybody I know wants the football boots. Why didn't we bring them out? But I guess this is one step closer to the iconic football boots that we all love. And they've brought out a number of colorways of this. In my personal opinion, this is the only one that I thought was worth going for. This is the colorway that I absolutely love. They are coming out with the red and white ones. They have the full white ones, you've had the black ones, the orange ones, the yellow ones. But this is the one that brings back the memories for me. It looks absolutely fantastic in that two-tone color, white and gold. Just a shame. I don't understand, why was this not white? I feel like it would have blended in a lot better. I'm not sure about the black on the sole. So let me know down below in the comments, who do you remember playing in these that brings back the memories? We've got obviously Wayne Rooney, Ronaldinho, and even Messi was a fan of the T90. But yeah, this is such an iconic pair. In terms of the materials, you do have a very thick, comfy padding around the heel, which I'm a big fan of. It is soft towards the toe box, but it does kind of have that stiff feel that the boots had originally, so it's a good and bad thing. They've not really developed it, I wouldn't say, but if you're still after that iconic fit and feel of the original, I think these kind of give it. It is a stiff upper, but does have some give, so it will give after some wear. I managed to pick up two pairs on Nike. I'm not actually entirely sure if they're still in stock anywhere. I saw a few sizes left on ProDirect when I went on there the other day. They're priced at £99, which in today's day, I think is actually quite a good price, because they could have easily charged these at £140, £150, and people would have still paid, but they priced them at £99.99, which I don't think is too bad. The pricing was alright. And also Nike ships incredibly fast. These came within 1 day. Both pairs came together. Yeah, very fast. I'm not entirely sure I will ever wear these out or like lifestyle wise, like they're intended to be worn nowadays. But for a five-a-side, this is probably going to be my go-to shoe. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the studs, but I still think they're going to work pretty well. And just the iconic look of them on the pitch. Yeah, this is the one I'll be wearing on my five-a-side, definitely. But talking of lifestyle, let's put them on feet and take a closer look. And yeah, I'm not sure if these work. And here's a look at them on feet. Check them out. Bringing back so many memories. What do you think of them? Absolutely crazy. I can't really believe that Nike brought these back. Yeah. I'm not really sure about them for a lifestyle look, but for five-a-side, I'll definitely be wearing these. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. This is the brand new T90 kind of turf shoes, I would say, released by Nike for £99. This is the most iconic colorway, white and gold if I didn't drop them. But yeah, can you really go wrong with this pair? I think this is the perfect color and by far the best one from the T90 range. Hope you have an amazing day. This was the brand new T90 in white and gold. Yeah, I'm so glad I managed to get two pairs.